If you've got a cleaning company that is demanding, it's chaotic, it feels frantic, it feels like it's always needing your attention, and you'd rather have a cleaning company that can honestly run without you, the things that we talk about in the Cleanup Academy, having that high profit, low stress cleaning company that can run without you. If that's what you're looking for, then let's talk about really what it takes to make that a reality. And this might sound somewhat cliche, but it's so true. The very first step is deciding that that's what you're going to do, making that decision. And remember, the word decide, it literally from its origin means to cut off from, the eventuality of other things. So when you decide, it means I am deciding to go down this one path. Do you have the discipline to say no? Have you got locked onto that vision of high profit and low stress, and you're able to say that does not fit with the business that I am looking to build? Because if you allow yourself to cave, if you allow yourself to say, actually, we'll do it, even if it's not in alignment with the model of business that you want, that's when you're going to end up with this chaotic, frantic business. We know that we can have a high profit, high stress cleaning company if we really work enough hours and we say yes to everything. That's not what we're looking to do. You want a business that can generate you an amazing lifestyle without you having to be there all the time. Otherwise, what's the point? You could have just gone and got a job. So the first step is deciding that that's what you want. And I know that might sound cliche, but it's so true. If you haven't decided that's what you want, you're always going to be swayed by those contracts that don't fit. You're going to be swayed by those clients that you can't service properly. You're going to be swayed by those clients that are a pain in your ass, but they pay well. We don't want that. We want high profit, low stress. When you start looking at everything through that lens, your life will change.